Credit card rewards can be more than just points for travel or cashback. They can be powerful tools for building your wealth. Imagine turning your everyday spending into long-term financial growth. With the right strategy, you can use credit card rewards to enhance your investment portfolio and work towards achieving your financial goals. So how can you leverage these rewards effectively to boost your investment strategy in 2025? In this video, we'll break down 10 smart ways to use your credit card rewards to grow your wealth and make investing easier. Let's get into it. 10. Choose the right credit card for your financial goals. Before diving into using your rewards for investing, it's crucial to pick the right credit card. Not all rewards programs are created equal, and some will align better with your goals than others. Look for cards that offer high rewards rates for categories you already spend in, whether that's groceries, gas, or dining. Some cards focus on cashback, while others offer travel points, miles, or even specific investment bonuses. A card that provides higher rewards for everyday expenses can help you earn points or cash back faster, setting you up to invest sooner. Additionally, choose cards with no annual fee or cards where the rewards outweigh the annual fee costs. This helps ensure that your rewards are contributing positively to your financial goals rather than eroding your savings with unnecessary fees. 9. Redeem rewards for cash back. The simplest and most flexible way to use credit card rewards for investing is to redeem them for cash back. Cashback rewards can be deposited directly into your bank account or applied as a statement credit. Once you have your cash, consider using it to fund an investment account, such as a brokerage account, a retirement account like an IRA, or even an emergency fund. The beauty of cashback is that it's immediate and versatile, allowing you to invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs. Even small amounts can add up over time and can be put to work growing your wealth. This strategy works particularly well for people who don't want to deal with travel points or complex redemption systems, but still want to make the most of their rewards. 8. Invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs. One of the easiest and most effective ways to start investing with credit card rewards is to use them to purchase low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds (ETFs). These types of funds track the performance of major stock indexes like the S&P 500 and allow you to diversify your investments without having to pick individual stocks. Index funds and ETFs typically have low management fees, which means more of your money is working for you. Using cashback or rewards points to buy index funds or ETFs gives you an easy and efficient way to start building a diversified portfolio without any additional cost. Over time, the returns from these investments can compound, making your initial small contributions grow into significant assets. 7. Use rewards to buy fractional shares. Fractional shares are a great way to invest in high-value stocks with a smaller budget. Instead of having to save up thousands of dollars to buy a full share of a company like Amazon or Tesla, you can buy a fraction of a share for much less. Some brokerage platforms allow you to purchase fractional shares for as little as $1, making it an accessible option for investors at any level. You can use your credit card rewards to buy fractional shares in popular stocks or diversify your portfolio across different industries. By leveraging small amounts of cashback or rewards points to purchase fractional shares, you can build a diversified stock portfolio over time without putting a significant dent in your wallet. 6. Take advantage of promotional investment offers. Many credit card companies have partnerships with investment firms and offer limited-time promotions for cardholders. These promotions may include bonuses for opening a new investment account or for transferring rewards to a partner platform. For example, some cards may offer points that can be directly converted into contributions for investment accounts or free trades through specific brokerage platforms. Take advantage of these promotional offers to boost your investment without additional effort. These opportunities can help you grow your portfolio faster and often come with perks like sign-up bonuses or increased rewards on investment-related purchases. 5. Use credit card rewards to fund a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is one of the best ways to invest for retirement, as it allows your money to grow tax-free. If you're eligible for a Roth IRA, you can use your credit card rewards to fund it. You can either convert cashback into a deposit or redeem travel rewards for cashback and then use that to make your contributions. If you consistently redeem your credit card rewards for this purpose, it can add up over the years and grow significantly due to the power of compound interest. Plus, using credit card rewards to fund a Roth IRA means you don't need to dip into your regular income, allowing your money to grow more effectively. 4. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Another smart use of your credit card rewards is to purchase dividend-paying stocks. These stocks provide regular payouts, dividends to shareholders, and over time, these dividends can be reinvested to generate even more wealth. By using your rewards points or cashback to buy dividend stocks, you're not only investing in companies with strong fundamentals but also setting up a reliable income stream. Reinvesting dividends can be a powerful strategy for growing your portfolio. Some platforms even offer dividend reinvestment plans (DRIPs), which automatically reinvest the dividends you earn into more shares of the same company. 3. Take advantage of reward points for investment tools. Credit card reward points can be redeemed for more than just cashback or travel. Many credit cards partner with investment platforms and financial institutions, allowing you to exchange points for investment-related tools. For example, you might be able to redeem rewards for access to premium investment research, stock analysis tools, or educational content that can help you make smarter investment decisions. While this isn't a direct investment, it can help you improve your investment strategy and learn how to make better decisions with your money. Access to such tools could lead to smarter investments and higher returns over time. 2. Transfer points to investment platforms. Some credit card rewards programs allow you to transfer points to investment platforms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or even cryptocurrency exchanges. If you use a rewards credit card that supports point transfers, you can directly send your points to these platforms and use them for investments. This can be an excellent way to enhance your investment opportunities, especially if the platform offers investment tools or services you're interested in. Transferring points directly to a brokerage account gives you the flexibility to use the points as cash for a wide variety of investments, from stocks to bonds to mutual funds. 1. Build an emergency fund with rewards. Building an emergency fund is a critical part of a sound financial strategy. If you're serious about investing smartly, make sure you have a financial cushion in place. Credit card rewards can help you get started by contributing to your emergency savings fund. Using cashback or travel rewards to build this fund means you can focus on investing without worrying about unexpected expenses draining your finances. An emergency fund allows you to be more confident in your investment decisions, knowing that you won't need to sell investments or dip into retirement accounts if something unexpected happens. So as you can see, credit card rewards offer more than just free travel or cashback. They can be an invaluable tool for smart investing. Whether you're building an emergency fund, buying fractional shares, or funding a Roth IRA, your rewards can work hard for you to grow your wealth. The key is to use them strategically and align them with your financial goals. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights on personal finance and investing. Share your thoughts in the comments. How do you use your credit card rewards? Let's chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.